Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify homepage. First, select a theme that truly represents your brand's identity and product range. Shopify offers hundreds of themes, both free and paid, so take your time to find the perfect fit. Once chosen, dive into customizing its layout and sections to create a visually appealing and unique storefront. Remember, a great homepage is the foundation of your online store. Next, focus on essential sections. A prominent hero banner, typically spanning the top one-third of the page, is crucial for grabbing attention with a clear call to action. Below that, showcase your best-selling products or exciting new arrivals to entice visitors. Don't forget to integrate customer testimonials or reviews. They build immense trust and social proof, encouraging potential buyers to explore further. Another significant reason for coprophagy, especially in young animals, is to establish a healthy gut microbiome. Puppies, foals, and even some rodent pups consume adult feces to ingest beneficial bacteria. These microorganisms are crucial for proper digestion and developing a strong immune system. This natural inoculation helps their immature digestive tracts process food efficiently and fight off potential pathogens. Before going live, thoroughly preview your entire home page on various devices to catch any errors. Once published, the work isn't over. Actively gather feedback from early visitors and use analytics to make data-driven adjustments. Continuously test different elements, like button colors or headline text, to see what resonates best with your audience. This iterative process, even small tweaks, can significantly improve your conversion rates over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.